Let's be honest, Web3 isn't always welcoming. New wallet? Here's your 24-volt seed phrase. Lose it? Game over. And that's how millions get carried away before they first trade. At Evedex we asked, what if the door to DeFi didn't require a key? Just a click. Crypto shouldn't start with fear, it should start with a click. Social logins means no extensions, no seed phrase, no learning curve. You click sign in with the Google and boom, a non-custodial wallet is created for you on-chain under your name. Your keys are stored with encryption secured by 2FA and biometrics. You are not giving up control, you are just starting smarter. Your crypto wallet now comes with a login button. 80% of DeFi users drop off during wallet setup. That's not a start, that's a crisis. With social login, we reduce onboarding time from 12 minutes to 15 seconds. That's how you scale DeFi from thousands to millions. Onboarding to DeFi shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle. Underneath all this simplicity is power. Evedex wallets use account abstraction, a smart contracts architecture that's changed everything. Want multi-sig, daily spending limits, auto-gas payments from a second wallet? You can do all of that. No central custodian, just code, under your control. Account abstraction makes your wallet smarter than your bank. Some users want Google login, some want Ledger. We say, why choose? Evedex lets you start in second with a social login, or connect any wallet you love, or use both. Your keys, your tools, your rules. Evedex is tech smooth but DeFi deep. This is not about logging in, it's about reclaiming your freedom. Install access to trading, secure backup options, real decentralization. You get the UX for Web 2 with the freedom of Web 3. And no, you never have to write down another seed phrase again. Web 3 shouldn't punish you for being new. We don't want DeFi to feel like a test. We want it to feel like home. Log in, trade, withdraw. No friction, no fear, no compromise. Welcome to the DeFi that starts with one click. Click once, control forever.